Hello, tech enthusiasts.
Welcome back to Product Critique,
your trusted source for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the Azacvb USB-C fast charger. If you're tired of slow charging speeds, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our tech reviews. Let's start with the Azacvb USB-C fast charger. It's time to say goodbye to sluggish charging and hello to high-speed power delivery. This charger boasts a whopping 118 W of power, and that means one thing: fast charging like you've never seen before. But there's more to it than just speed. Hey there! Need to charge your MacBook Pro 16-inch in a hurry? With the Azacvb charger, you can fully charge it in just 1 hour and 30 minutes. And it gets better. It can juice up most USB-C mobile phones from 0% to 80% in just 20 minutes. For those of you keeping score, that's up to 2 hours of saved charging time. That's more Netflix, more gaming, and less waiting around. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The Azacvb USB-C fast charger is a true, one-for-all solution. Thanks to its PD 3.0 technology, it can charge virtually any USB-C mobile device. Whether you've got a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, or an Android smartphone, this charger has you covered. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, and that's a game changer. Of course, speed is essential, but safety is paramount. Azacvb has you covered there too. These chargers are built with smart IC chip technology and high-quality materials. It intelligently identifies your device, provides efficient output current, and safeguards against overloading, overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuiting. Fast charging? Check. Long service life? Double check. Size matters, especially when you're on the go. The Azacvb USB-C fast charger is 5% smaller than the original MacBook Pro chargers, and it charges more efficiently. With its foldable plug and lightweight build, it's the perfect travel companion. Plus, it includes an ultra-long 7.2 feet USB-C to C cable, so you're ready for action at home, in the office, or on the road. A great product deserves great service. Azacvb offers a warm welcome, a friendly customer service team, and a 12-month worry-free warranty. If you ever have questions or run into any issues, they've got your back 24/7. That's peace of mind for tech enthusiasts like us. In conclusion, the Azacvb USB-C fast charger is a game changer for anyone who values their time and wants top-notch charging performance. It's compact, powerful, and compatible with a wide range of devices. If this review has been helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Until next time, stay charged and tech-savvy.